There's something magical about the transition from fall to spring, especially when you imagine vibrant blooms waiting to burst forth after a long winter. Today, we'll show you how to plant fall bulbs so your spring garden can be a stunning display of color and fragrance. First, let's choose the right fall bulbs. Classic options include tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Consider your garden conditions: full sun, partial shade, or full shade, and pick bulbs that match. Mix shorter bulbs like crocuses with taller ones such as alliums for a layered effect. Plan your layout. Group bulbs in clusters for a natural look, or create patterns for a formal design. Think about color palettes and staggered bloom times to keep your garden vibrant all spring. Healthy soil means happy bulbs. Start by clearing the planting area of weeds, rocks, and debris. Most bulbs prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Amend soil with compost or well-rotted manure for added nutrients. Rake the compost into the top few inches of soil for a rich planting bed. Timing is crucial. Plant bulbs when the soil temperature is around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, usually 6 to 8 weeks before the first hard frost. This allows roots to establish before winter. Avoid planting too early or too late to prevent weak growth or frost damage. Now, let's dig. Plant bulbs at a depth about 2 to 3 times their height. For example, a 2-inch bulb goes in a 4 to 6-inch hole. Space larger bulbs 4 to 6 inches apart to give them room to grow. Use a trowel or bulb planter for precision. Check the bulb for the pointed end. The shoot will emerge here. Always plant bulbs with the pointy side up. Cover gently with soil, lightly pat, and water just enough to settle the soil. After planting, water lightly to help roots develop. Avoid overwatering to prevent rot. Once done, add 2-3 inches of organic mulch, shredded leaves, straw, or bark, to insulate bulbs, retain moisture, and suppress weeds. Check your garden occasionally to ensure mulch stays in place and soil stays slightly moist. Watch for pests like squirrels or rodents. Be patient. Your bulbs are busy establishing roots beneath the soil, and spring will reward you soon. Finally, the reward. As spring arrives, your bulbs will bloom into vibrant tulips, daffodils, crocuses, and more. Capture photos, share your garden journey, or create cut flower arrangements to enjoy indoors. Spring is nature's way of saying, "Let's bloom." Once the blooms fade, take notes on which bulbs thrived. Rotate planting locations next fall and try new varieties to keep your garden fresh and exciting each year. Planting fall bulbs is more than gardening. It's investing in the beauty of your spring. With the right bulbs, soil prep, and planting techniques, you're set for a colorful, fragrant spring garden. Start planting today and watch your garden transform. Be sure to check out this video for more.